we're going to journey through our solar system and visit all the amazing planets. Are you ready to blast off and learn about the planets? Let's go! First stop, Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and the smallest one too. It has lots of craters and is very hot. Can you say Mercury? It's a rocky planet with lots of bumps. Next up is Venus. Venus is covered in thick clouds that make it look like it's wearing a fluffy blanket. Can you say Venus? It's very hot and bright. Imagine these clouds are a giant pillow. Here's our home, Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and is covered with water and land. Can you say Earth? It's the only planet we know where life exists. Look at all the blue oceans and green land. Now we're on Mars. Mars is the red planet with a dusty surface and 2 tiny moons. Can you say Mars? It's very cold and has big valleys and volcanoes. Let's explore Mars with our rover. Here's Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. It has colorful bands and a giant storm called the Great Red Spot. Can you say Jupiter? It's so big that you could fit all the other planets inside it. Look at Saturn. Its rings make it look like a giant spinning top. Let's spin around like Saturn's rings. Here's Uranus. Uranus is a blue-green planet that's tilted on its side. Can you say Uranus? It spins like a giant rolling ball. Let's pretend we're rolling around just like Uranus. Finally, we reach Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun and is deep blue with strong winds. Can you say Neptune? It has stormy weather and is very windy. Let's feel the wind and pretend we're on Neptune. Pluto was once considered a planet, but in 2006, the IU reclassified it as a dwarf planet because it shares its orbital region with other large objects, meaning it hasn't cleared its neighborhood, as defined by the planetary classification. Here are some interesting and unique facts about each planet. Let's start knowing about them. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and has the most extreme temperature changes in the solar system. Temperatures can soar up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, 427 degrees Celsius during the day to minus 330 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 201 degrees Celsius at night. Despite being the smallest planet, Mercury has a very dense core made mostly of iron. Venus, Earth's sister planet, shares a similar size but is much hotter, with surface temperatures up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 475 degrees Celsius due to its thick, toxic atmosphere. Unlike most planets, Venus rotates backward, causing the Sun to rise in the west and set in the east. Earth is the only planet in our solar system known to support life, thanks to its perfect distance from the Sun and its atmosphere that protects us from harmful solar radiation. Approximately 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water, and about 96.5% of that is salt water found in the oceans. Mars has the biggest volcano in the whole solar system called Olympus Mons, and it's almost 3 times taller than Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth. Mars has 2 tiny moons named Phobos and Deimos. Phobos is slowly getting closer to Mars and might crash into it in about 50 million years. Jupiter has a giant storm called the Great Red Spot that has been raging for at least 400 years. It's so big that 3 Earths could fit inside it. Jupiter has 79 known moons, including Ganymede, which is the largest moon in the solar system, even larger than the planet Mercury. Saturn is known for its beautiful rings made of ice, rock, and dust, likely from broken comets, asteroids, or moons. Its moon, Titan, has a thick atmosphere and lakes of liquid methane and ethane, making it one of the most Earth-like places in the solar system. Uranus is special because it rotates on its side, with an axis tilted by 98 degrees, making it roll around the Sun. Its blue-green color comes from methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue-green light. Neptune has the fastest winds in the solar system, reaching up to 2,000 kilometers